The Healthy Connections mobile Medikit is transforming healthcare delivery in the Pilbara by enhancing accessibility and equity. This AI-driven, satellite-enabled screening tool is portable, allowing healthcare workers to bring the clinic directly to the community on country. By facilitating on-site chronic disease screenings, the Medikit helps prevent conditions such as heart disease, diabetes and renal disease, ultimately improving health outcomes in these communities.
We're developing a Medikit which would allow us to undertake point-of-care health assessments at events like the festival and in remote Mardu communities.
The Medikit provides a whole-of-community, lifetime approach to reducing chronic disease in a culturally safe and appropriate way. On-country screening will allow us to identify people at risk early, provide education and connect them with health services and follow-up. This will help reduce the burden of chronic disease on Aboriginal communities.
One of the major features of the Medikit is its portability. We can take the Medikit to anyone's house, to a community, to an event. And this portability allows us to provide access to healthcare where it may not be possible before.
I'm a nurse out here in the Pilbara. Out here we have a variety of different clients, and for different reasons they don't want to come into the hospital and other health services.
So to have an all-in-one Medikit to take out to community actually helps me deliver kinship care in a much more accessible and equitable way.
The Pilbara is known for its natural beauty and rich resources. It's also home to traditional owners who experience some of the lowest health equity in Australia. By introducing this digital health technology, the Medikit will help close the technology gap for Aboriginal communities, empowering them with access to their own health data and fostering self-determination in managing their health outcomes.
We can add extra sensors and extra healthcare devices to the Medikit. This way we can expand the array of different services we can provide.
Community elders understand the importance of the Medikit, and they have told us they want it for their communities. They've invited us to work together to bring the Medikit to improve healthcare outcomes for future generations. We invite you to join us on this healthcare innovation.